Hello students, in this video we will continue the practice set 1.1 in which question number 3. Write, what is the question number 3 here? Write any two sets by listing method and by rule method. Okay, we want to write down the two sets by using what? By using the listing method and by using the rule method. So in first set, what we do here, that is A is a set. A is what? A is the set name of even natural numbers. I will take a set of even natural numbers. Even natural numbers means what? It starts from 2, then 4, then 6, then 8 and so on. So by using the listing method, means we can write here actual elements of the set, that is 2, 4, 6, 8, okay, like that. So therefore A is equal to curly bracket open, first element even natural number is what? 2, after that 4, after that 6, then 8 and so on. Okay, so this is the by using listing method. Next is what? Next is by using rule method. In rule method we don't write any elements, we write here general format. Okay, next set A is equal to curly bracket open, this is one variable x, such that this line is what? This line is represented such that x is equal to 2n. What? X is equal to 2n and this n is belongs to what? Small n belongs to capital N. Capital N is for what? This is for natural numbers. So here is one formula there, that is x is equal to 2n. What is this? Okay, first of all tell me n means what? N is natural number. Natural number starts from 1, then 2, then 3 and so on. Okay, when small n is what? Small n is belongs to capital N, which is a natural number. When small n is equal to 1, okay, when small n is equal to 1, then what happen here? X is equal to what? 2 into 1, that is x is equal to 2, means first value get here 2. After that x is equal to 2n. When n is equal to 2, then what happen? X is equal to 2 into 2, then x is equal to what? 4. Then this is the second even number, this is the second even number. First get 2, then 4. Similarly, when x is equal to 3, n is equal to 3, then what happen? X is equal to 2n, x is equal to, instead of n we want to put here what? 3. We want to put here 3. So x is equal to 2 into 3 means 6. So this is the third even natural number. Okay, even natural number means 2, 4, 3. So instead of writing these actual elements, we write here one general format. Okay, that means final answer of this one is what? A is equal to x such that x is equal to 2n. This represents the relationship between even natural numbers 2n, and n, small n is what? Small n belongs to capital N, that is a natural number. Clear? So in this way our first set is completed by using the listing method and by using rule method. Okay, then next second example consider here. Suppose B is a set of the word welcome. Okay, B is the set of the word welcome. Okay, so by using listing method, how to write this? Okay, the set name is what? B. So B is equal to curly bracket open welcome. So each character from this word we will list out here. Okay, so first character is what? W. So list here. then next E, then L, then C, then O, then M, then is what? E, but E is already in the set, so no need to write down here. So this is your set of the word welcome by using the listing method. Next is what? By using rule method. How to solve this same problem by using the rule method? Yes, how to solve by using this same problem using rule method, that is B is equal to curly bracket open X such that X is a letter of the word welcome and curly bracket close. Okay, B is equal to X such that X is a letter of the word welcome. So in this way you have to solve the two examples by using the both method, that is listing method and by using rule method. Okay.